Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our soft roll-up bed covers. Adding a cover to the bed of your truck is going to double its usefulness, and a soft roll-up cover is going to be the most cost-effective option out there. Now this isn't your grandfather's soft cover where they would fold over the bed and snap along it or even hook and loop directly to the bed. Our soft cover installs in less than 20 minutes with no drilling. It has an aluminum frame that it attaches to, and it's held taut with a cable latching system. Just pull the release straps to unlatch. It's gonna pop up. Once it does, you can see a couple of things. You can see the pivot point that's gonna apply the tension. You can see the latch and the aluminum frame, and I wanna show you something here. The block that we pivot off of to get tension is fully adjustable to make sure your cover is always as tight as a drum. One of the best things about the soft roll-up cover is that you still maintain full access to your bed. While I'm rolling it up, you'll also notice that there are aluminum bows integrated into the cover. They're gonna give the cover a nice crown to keep water from pooling and keep it from sagging under snow and the like. Latch it out of the way and your bed is unencumbered. While I've got it rolled up out of the way and I'm up here, you can see our aluminum rails as well as our clamps to provide an easy, drill-free installation. The soft roll-up cover also has a sleek profile, being just a little bit taller than an inch. Each cover is custom designed specific for your truck to ensure a perfect fit. So if you're looking for an affordable, great-looking solution to cover the bed of your truck, you're looking for Rough Country's soft roll-up bed cover. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.